Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make roux sauce for mac and cheese. A perfect roux is the secret to a velvety, smooth cheese sauce, ensuring your mac and cheese is never grainy or thin. We will cover the simple, yet crucial, steps to achieve this foundational element. Understanding the right technique will elevate your dish from good to truly exceptional, making it a family favorite every time you prepare it. To begin, gather your two essential ingredients, unsalted butter and all-purpose flour. The key to a successful roux lies in maintaining a precise 1-to-1 ratio by weight or volume. For a standard batch of mac and cheese, 4 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of flour work perfectly. This balance ensures optimal thickening power and a consistent texture for your sauce, setting the stage for a rich and creamy result. Now let's cook our roux. Melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Once melted, whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour until a smooth paste forms. Continue to cook this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly. You are aiming for a pale, straw-colored roux, often called a white or blonde roux, which is perfect for cheese sauces. With your perfectly cooked roux ready, it's time to transform it into a luscious cheese sauce. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of cold milk, a little at a time, into the hot roux. Continue whisking until the mixture thickens and becomes smooth, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from heat, then stir in about 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese until completely melted and creamy. This creates the ultimate base for your mac and cheese.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.